everybody, what's up? And welcome back to our In Bloom series. Today I wanted to take a quick look at Our Lady of Shalott, or Shalott, or I don't know how to say it, but we're going to say Shalott. Our Lady of Shalott Rosebush. This is gorgeous. This is really coming into itself this year. I planted this rosebush about 3 years ago. It's one of only 3 rose bushes that I have here in the yard. But it's absolutely breathtaking this year, which I'm really happy to see. This is a David Austin rose. David Austin roses are absolutely gorgeous. If you're unfamiliar with them, definitely check them out. They're amazing. But I can't say enough good things about this rose specifically. This rose is planted in a terrible spot in my garden. This is where the water table is very low. It gets flooded here all the time. It is a heavy clay. It's terrible. It's literally nothing will grow back here. But this rose bush is thriving and I am so pleased. The main reasons that I actually purchased this rose is because it explicitly said perfect for beginners, and I thought, yes, that's me, beginner right here. I'm growing it. As it turns out, they weren't lying. It was, it's doing really well in adverse conditions here in my yard, and I am so pleased. Overall, I really love this. I've used a couple of the flowers and cut flower arrangements, though the stems haven't been very long, admittedly, but these have just a really nice, delicate, soft fragrance. And in addition to that, the blooms are just so bright. Sometimes when they first open, they are just that neon, like, whoo, look at me, orange. Over time, and depending on the weather, it seems like sometimes the blooms are more pale, more of a pale peach salmon color, which is also just absolutely gorgeous. I honestly can't say enough good things about this rose. That's really about it for this video. Hopefully it was helpful. As always, you can leave any questions or comments that you have down below. I'm always trying to answer those. Usually I get to them in about a week, sometimes longer depending upon how busy I am with work and the channel and everything. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. I'd absolutely love to have you. We are making new content all the time. Sometimes it's DIY projects, sometimes it's gardening, could be even soap making. You really never know quite what I'm gonna upload, so if you like a little bit of a surprise, you might like this channel too. Always gonna just keep on growing. To tell your friends, hit the little bell icon, all that good stuff. I hope that you guys are having such an amazing day. I will talk to you all later. Bye guys.